how to connect a USB drive in your MacBook Neo, and also how to transfer files. Let's get started right away. And by the way, I'll put links towards Amazon in case you want to get anything that I'm showing you today or any other accessories. So first of all, this MacBook Neo only has two USB Type-C ports. There's no USB Type-A. If you have a USB drive that looks like this one, you'll need an adapter. The adapter is a USB Type-A where you plug your USB drive to USB Type-C. It's made by Apple, and again, I'll put a link in the description if you need one. If you don't have any USB drive, I always recommend getting one that is USB Type-A, but has also a USB Type-C side, or just a USB Type-C one. The first USB Type-C port on your MacBook Neo is the quickest. You can plug it in either of them. It's just that it will take more time to transfer files if you connect it in the second one. So I'll go ahead and plug it in the first one. You may get on your display this screen allowing the USB drive to connect, so simply click on Allow. Open Finder. So this is how Finder looks. If you don't see it, go on the top right corner, click on the magnifying glass and type Finder. And you'll be able to find the app. I mean, it's not an app, it's just a way to navigate through all the files that are on the Mac. On the left side, you're gonna see location, and under it, your USB drive will be presented to you. If you tap on it, you're gonna see all the files and folders. If you wanna transfer something from here to your Mac, simply select it by clicking on it. You see it's highlighted, or you can drag over many files and folders you want to copy. And once you did this, you're going to go on the top left corner, click Edit, select Copy, go on your under location over here, go on your Mac. Mine is called Alex Tricks, but yours will have a different name. Find the folder where you want to copy these, let's say in this one, open it and click Edit, Paste, and everything will be transferred. You can obviously do the contrary as well, copying files from the Mac to the USB drive. Now, one important thing that I need to mention is that if you do not see it on the left side, it may mean that it's not formatted the right way. It's formatted in something else that the Mac is not able to read it. If you want to fix that issue, you need to go on the magnifying glass, tap on it and type disk. Whoops, let me type disk and open disk utility. From here under external, you're going to see your USB drive. Click on it, and here is the format that is currently in. If it's not a compatible format, I suggest you do a backup of this USB drive and format it the right way. To format it, press Erase, and again, make sure it's formatted because everything will be gone from that USB drive. Give it a new name if you want, and under Format, select exFAT. This is a format that is compatible with Mac and also PC. So if you're going to use this drive on PC or maybe even a smart TV on an Android phone, exFAT will always work, and this is what I suggest. And press Erase to format it. Afterwards, you'll be able to see your USB drive on the left side over here. And before removing the USB drive from your Mac Neo, it's important to eject it. So there's two ways on how to eject something. The first way, well, if you're on the desktop, this is my USB drive, simply drag it over here, over the garbage bin. Okay, throw it inside. I won't do it because I want to show you the second way how to do it. So in the Finder, you're going to find your USB drive, and beside it, you're going to see the eject button. Click on it. Wait until it disappears, and now you can safely remove it from your Mac Neo. Thanks for watching. Please leave a comment down below, subscribe, and again, check my Amazon links in the description down below if you want to get a USB drive, some adapters, and many other compatible accessories with your MacBook Neo. See you in the next one.